Manufacturing lies at Mohawk Valley Community College's roots, but the way we teach has come a long way since we first started in the 1940s. Today, manufacturing is automated, involves robotics, and the industry needs more skilled workers than ever before. At MVCC, our degree and certificate programs in the manufacturing sectors are constantly evolving to meet industry's needs and will prepare you to succeed in the workforce. There are plenty of employers right here in the Mohawk Valley to help you gain experience and employment after graduation. You can be part of the bigger picture without having to leave the area. Companies including Special Metals in New Hartford, HMI Homogeneous Metals in Clayville, ComMet in Utica, Revere Copper in Rome, and Indium Corporation in Clinton all make products for big industries and are part of larger entities, some of which even operate on a global scale. From creating superalloys for the aerospace industry, to making medical equipment, to cold rolling steel for cars, Central New York is rife with opportunities for a great career in which you can make an impact on your community, country, and even the world. Salaries locally start around $18 to $19 per hour and have a high rate of wage growth. MVCC works for manufacturing by providing an able and ready workforce and a solid foundation in a variety of industries. MVCC works for you by providing a quick and affordable pathway to landing a great career in your own backyard.